ingredient inventory, and FIFO cost layers in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you where your raw material stock and cost live, why cost is split into purchase layers, and how that keeps your costing accurate. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Purchasing, Inventory Items from your dashboard. This is your inventory items page for raw materials. Every ingredient you keep on hand, with its current quantity and cost, all in one list. Click any item, and instead of a single blended cost, you'll see it broken into layers. Each layer a separate purchase, with its own quantity remaining and the price you paid for that batch. This is what keeps your costing accurate. When ingredients get used in production, they're pulled from the oldest layer first, so your costs reflect what you actually paid in the order you bought it. You can also trace an item's purchase history, which purchase orders and receipts added each layer. Come here whenever you need to check what's on hand, verify a cost, or trace an ingredient back to its source.